SAP Digital Manufacturing was the natural successor to our legacy MES system. This is because it's a cloud-based solution, and with our legacy MES system, we were facing an end-of-life product, which posed additional risks and security challenges to the organization.
Siemens Gamesa basically has two production lines where we implemented SAP Digital Manufacturing. On the one side, you have the real manufacturing and the plate production, and on the other side, the, let's say, assembly of the nacelles. We as Syntax came into this project because Siemens Gamesa needed an implementation partner to implement the SAP Digital Manufacturing in their producing plants, plus supporting them in setting up a global rollout strategy.
Syntax transferred a huge amount of information early on in the project through the key user enablement journey and the bootcamp that we held. This enabled us to quickly progress with the project, take our key users and our colleagues with us, and enabled us to take on a lot of the configuration and understanding of the technical aspects of the system ourselves.
A major advantage of the SAP Digital Manufacturing is the creation of more transparency across the shop floor, but also across the plants.
Being able to retrieve data from SAP DM through their standard APIs enables us to have more effective on-time delivery reporting and performance visibility.
In addition, organizational change management is one of the central parts of the project methodology. So that means we are stepping away from just looking purely at the software, at the technical part. We are widening our focus on the people using the software.
Syntax stopped us from over-engineering the solution with a standardized template, having a controlled, governance-led methodology, and also came with core suggestions on where we should focus a change of process over a change of system.
The template approach was very successful in this project because of different reasons. First of all, Siemens Gamesa shows a high willingness to adapt to a new software and to new processes. Second of all, it was very impressive that the Siemens Gamesa project team was willing to follow the organizational change management measures. It was very nice to see the internal marketing activities they started on their own, which they still continue to do.
The template approach really showed me how fast you can take a plant from initiation all the way through to deployment. And we've seen from our pilot factories that we spent 8-9 months between starting the template and implementation. And now with our latest factories, we're taking less than 3 months from project initiation through to go live.
One of our project goals at Syntax is to give the customer the confidence to operate the MES as independent as possible. With the SAP Digital Manufacturing, Siemens Gamesa can expect to have a, I would call it, living product. That means the regular updates are still continuing even if the project is done, and new functionality will be introduced by SAP on a regular basis.
We're looking forward to continuing our relationship with Syntax, which will enable us to finalize our rollout schedule next year and then work with Syntax and SAP to deliver the continuous improvements with the quarterly releases of the new MES system.